Silent hills I roam, every trail feels just like home. Morning sun upon my face, every step is filled with grace. River water clear and bright leads me through the morning light. Every flower, every tree shares its quiet song with me. Telling me that love is here. Take me where the rivers flow, where the mountain flowers grow, where the morning meets the sky, where my restless heart can fly. Every sunrise feels brand new, every dream is shining through. In this land my spirit stays lost inside these golden days. Old pine trees are standing tall, watching gently over all. Every valley, every stone makes me feel I'm not alone. Golden eagles circle high, drawing circles in the sky. Every cloud that passes by whispers softly, don't ask why. Lost inside these golden days. Golden stars are drifting by, all the worries fade away at the ending of the day. Here I found a peaceful road, far beyond my heavy load. Every mountain, every stream lives forever in my dreams. Take me where the rivers flow, where the mountain flowers grow, where the morning meets the sky, where my restless heart can Every sunrise feels brand new. Every dream is shining through. In this land my spirit stays, lost inside these golden days. Take me where the wild winds sing, where the bells of freedom ring. With the earth beneath my feet, life is simple, life is sweet.